Measure twice, banana once.
Flat. Like my emotions.
The line is not a trampoline. This apron had a future.
Not today, chaos.
That one had a name. And banana?
Concrete concert.
No taste testing, hero. Bad. This one is haunted. Hold. The mighty stick. Banana? Stop. I hurt feelings. Porch first. Drama later. Not a jungle gym. Mostly for the fallen dirt. Your arms are not units. Window time. No arm units. Stand tall. Rectangle. Push the outseed, genius. Welcome to my humble palace. One leaf, not a mural. Ridge, majestic. Lift. Smile. Don't drop. Your face is not geometry. Breathe. Roof. Efficient. Roof furniture. Not edible. Structural. Delivery for me?
The audio features lively monkey chatter, including laughter and satisfied grunts. Set a
Welcome. Shoes optional. Not a pull-up bar.
Grab a tree again.
luxury breeze included.
Expressive. Maximum banana capacity! I will remember this. I am curtain.
Balance is peace.
New home. Same chaos. Hypo? And
I fear nothing.
plants deserve respect. My goggles attacked me. I am. Breeze famous. Farewell, my knees. Certificate level monkey. Is victory. Right? Final shot.
No photo bombs.
Please. And thus, we... One step. Only one. This is fine. I can.
Smaller banana.
Approve. Subscribe.
Subscribe for more builds.